Hey friends, Katrina here with Homegrown Florida. I know you guys have been asking for, kind of a video on how things are going along the trip. So I thought I'd take you along for a little day of roaming around a local farm. And local means Mount Vernon, Washington. So way, we have reached the very tippy top part of the United States, not Alaska, but the tippy top part of Washington State. So we're going to take a peek around. I'm thinking, I don't think we have a lot of room for all pumpkins, but they have a ton of pumpkins. I've heard they have a pumpkin patch, so we're going to check that out. I also heard that they have some really cute fall decorations, so I'm hoping to get some of that. And they are known for their pies. So take a walk around with us. Let's check this place out. Let's see if we can find some cool finds. Now remember, I do have videos that are pre-recorded, so you are seeing some videos of me at home, and now you're seeing some videos of me on the road, and that is why that is, because those were recorded before I left. But I hope you enjoy this one, and we'll have more coming up for you. I don't know if I've ever seen a pumpkin patch this adorable. Take a look. So I think we're gonna skip the pumpkins. I actually still have some pumpkins that I harvested from the garden actually in our RV. But I am absolutely in love with their pumpkins. Number one, they grow some really big pumpkins here. But number two, they are all shapes and sizes. And I love that. You guys know I love ugly vegetables. So the fact that they're not perfect and round and orange, it makes my heart happy. Oh my gosh, they got chickens! I think they sell chickens and eggs. I'm gonna go pet some chickens.
Yeah. It's the meat food.
Hi, chicken, chicken, chicken. You're so pretty. Are you all by yourself in there? Alright, so I was wrong about the pumpkin patch, because that was just like where they lay them out so that they can get orange, I think, so that they can finish ripening. I have found my dream place, which is the full pumpkin patch. And they even have powdery mildew, so I don't feel so bad that my pumpkins get powdery mildew too. Not sure if that's downy mildew or powdery mildew, but look at that stuff. Look how dense it is down there, but you can see pumpkins. Check all those pumpkins out. There's one right there, and then there's like an oranger one right there, and they are about as far as the eye can see, you guys. Oh wait, there's a big patch. Looks like they had some dye out there, the leaves, but the pumpkins are everywhere. They have orange, big pumpkins, little pumpkins everywhere that you can see. Let me get up close so you guys can see how cute these are. Look at them, two right next to each other. That is definitely the pumpkin patch, right next to their sunflowers. I am in love with this farm. Oh, there's more stuff. More stuff.
Hi there, how's it going?
Good.
Hi!
We travel all over the country, come from Florida.
Oh yeah.
And this is actually
The coolest pumpkins
that we've seen yet.
Oh really? Oh,
well,
that's so cool.
Washington's real special as far as climate goes.
It is.
Okay guys, you guys know my favorite pumpkin is Burgess Buttercup Squash, and this is Buttercup Squash. I'm not sure if it's Burgess, but they have, oh, they've got Scallop Squash. Check this out. They got huge. Oh, it's the June et Vert. I'm growing these in my garden. They just don't grow quite this big in my garden. They are huge. They've got one of every single kind you can think of. how tiny their strawberries are. That's so cute. And of course, apples.
Yep.
And pears. Oh, we got bread.
Shallah, that's what it's called.
Yeah. And then potato, and then, oh, looks like sour bread. Sourdough. And lots of fruits and vegetables. Looks like they got a lot of their Halloween decorations out right now. So I'm on the lookout for fall, not necessarily Halloween. So let's keep looking.
Parts here? No.
Oh, we have little baskets. Do you want one?
Big basket.
We have this basket, and I can also give you another one if you
Right now.
Oh goodness.
How do we go about getting
This is kind of up my alley. That could be cute. I think I found my happy place. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my, I'm gonna be in trouble. My husband's not gonna like the amount of money I'm gonna spend here.
Yes, a small strawberry rhubarb, a small peach blueberry, a small pumpkin.
Oh, that's so cute.
You have a small peach.
Alright friends, so the one I really want to get is this guy way up here, this glass pumpkin. I'm kind of addicted to glass pumpkins and I have a whole collection at my house, but I don't have one like that, which is like a gold and white shimmer pumpkin. Here's my dilemma. We're driving around in an RV, everything bounces. I keep no glass in the RV. For that reason, everything breaks. So I'm not going to be able to get a glass pumpkin, but I am going to go back and get the little squishy pumpkin, the fabric pumpkin, because I think that that one's pretty cute. Let's see here. Yes, and it's gold too. And I think it's adorable. And this will fit in the RV. It'll fit in my home. Look at the little top.
Look at this.
Yeah, this guy's coming home with me. Oh, we gotta get some apple cider.
Probably a small one, yeah.
Yeah, just like the little guy.
We'll get one. You just look around first. We'll grab everything.
Got my pumpkin. Is this apple cider?
Yeah. Fresh, homemade, all organic and locally grown. What do you think?
Oh my gosh, that's really good.
That's really good.
That's just like straight up.
We're gonna have like a $500 bill here, maybe.
We're
Did you show the
enablers.
pastries?
He's my
Did you
enabler.
show the pastries?
Not yet.
Show the
Okay, guys,
pastries.
we got a lot of pastries that
That's
we're
the
buying
pastries.
too.
There you go. We'll get one of these.
Believe it or not, my husband ordered one of each. If you've been watching our Instagram shorts, you know that we're kind of into pastries quite a bit. So every time we stop someplace that looks like they have good pastries, we always buy them. And you never know what you're gonna like, so you might as well get one of each, right? Alright, so we spent enough time here going through all the decorations and going through the pumpkin patch and the sunflower farm. And they have really cool baked items, which we got one of everything. I'll tell you how those taste. But I couldn't help myself. I did have to get some glass pumpkins, but I got little bitty baby glass pumpkins because I think that's about as big as I can keep safe in the RV. But aren't they cute? I got one in every color. You got to try this place. Schuh Farms, I think is how it's pronounced. Really cool place in Mount Vernon. Lots to do here, especially with kids. You guys would really enjoy this. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today as we played around in a little farm up here in Washington State. I had a great time with you. I hope you had fun with me, and I will see you at the next stop. Happy gardening, guys. Pumpkins. They're so cute.